Experiencing not registered on network on your Rogers device? This means your phone can't connect to the cellular network, preventing calls, texts, and data. Don't worry, it's a common issue with straightforward solutions. First, power cycle the device, as this resolves the issue around 80% of the time. Now let's delve into the primary causes: SIM card issues, incorrect APN settings, and improper network selection. We'll cover practical steps to diagnose and fix these, getting you reconnected quickly. This will work for phones in 2025 and forward. Let's address each potential cause. First, check your SIM card. Ensure it's properly inserted and not damaged. Consider activating an eSIM to avoid physical SIM issues. Next, verify your APN settings under Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced, Access Point Names. The correct Rogers APN is rogerscore1.apn. Enter this manually if needed. Finally, manually select the Rogers network by going to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Network Operators, select Manually, and choose Rogers or Rogers Wireless. If these steps don't work, contact Rogers support, but these manual fixes are often the key to resolving the not registered error.